Hey, hello. Hello, everyone. This is Erin at Erin Takes on Life, and today we are reviewing the 2021 Wet n Wild SpongeBob collection. Here I am just showing you the various prices of the items that I found at my local Walmart. Actually, I posted photos yesterday and I was able to pick up a couple of items today. In this next photo, it's going to be a breakdown of all of the items that are included in the collection, as well as the total cost for each item. Now, here I'm getting into the Nautical Nonsense palette, what's included, the names of each eyeshadow, and in the next couple of photos, I am doing swatches on my skin tone. Please take in mind that I am a darker skin tone, so some of the colors to me do not show as well, but they are still very pretty and vibrant. This next photo is the Spongebob Highlighter, which is really cute. And in this next photo, I'm showing you the shimmer that's in the primer mist that's included in the collection. And here's a video of me trying to show you how it glistens when the light hits it. These are the kabuki brushes that are included, the Gary soap and brush cleanser. This is the Krabby Patty sponge and brush cleansing pads. This upcoming photo is the sponge case, which is called the Pineapple House. And as you can see, that is SpongeBob inside of the Pineapple House. My final thoughts on the collection overall is that they are extremely well made. They are so cute and nostalgic and just brings you back to a happier time frame in your life. Even the kabuki brushes, they feel amazing in the hands. They're very well made. The attention to detail into each little item, even down to the sponges and their faces. It's just so stinking adorable. And the one thing that I love out of all of the items that are included, there are three things that have a scent to them. So the BFF, Hydrating Brightening Primer Mist, the sponge and brush cleanser, which is Gary, and the purifying setting mist, which is called FUN, all have a scent to them. They are all uniform. It's a very light, sweet scent. And it smells really good. I personally believe that this collection is for both there's no age limit on it. It's for young, old, everyone in between that is a fan of SpongeBob. And the other thing I want to add with this collection, like I said, I took photos yesterday while I was just out in my local Walmart, and next thing you know, I didn't actually get the collection that day. I just figured like, oh, this is cute, let me take a photo of it. And I don't know if it was from my original photo that had got retweeted and reposted that it went viral, but when I went into my local store today, there were like less than 10 pallets. There weren't that many sponges left. Like everyone was coming through and picking these up. So if you see them, do not wait. You may not have an opportunity. Like I was literally at my local Walmart at like 6:54 this morning because they open up at 7 a.m. to head through there and get my complete collection. So definitely be on it quickly if you do see it at your local Walmart. Other than that, I hope that this video has provided you with a lot of answers to your questions. If not, please leave some questions that you may have below, like I stated, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will start getting more content out there I am a beginner enthusiast in the makeup world, so please don't be too harsh on me. I'm actually getting back into makeup after about 20 years because I have a teenager now and she's into makeup. So if I am saying anything wrong, or my swatches, which I know are not picture perfect, or my photos, again, don't be too hard on me. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.